रोहित शर्मा, विराट कोहली, बुमराह, अक्सर सारे ही दिग्गज हैं और जो कैच पकड़ा स्काई ने तो उसके बाद तो आई थिंक ही इज बिकम ट्रॉफी पकड़ ली उसके बाद. दैट्स ट्रू. या व्हेन आई वाज 13 year old 14 I was the last in my class to get my period, so I was not 13, I was a little ahead and I was like shit, मेरी जिंदगी बर्बाद हो चुकी है, भगवान has not done justice to me. मेरे को बहुत लेक्चर मिले when I was a kid and बॉम्बे आके मैं प्रोफेसर थी तो मैंने खुद बड़े लेक्चर दिए. अब ना मुझे लेक्चर सुनने हैं ना देने हैं. The other reverse question is never asked. The roles that Deepika and Alia have played, we never ask why didn't Divya Datta, Sakshi Tanwar play those roles. I just feel that I'm very proud to be a feminist and I think that shows in my body of work as well. Hi, I'm Tahira Kashyap Khurrana and you're watching me on Filmy.
हाय हेलो सत श्री अकाल, यू आर वाचिंग मी एट फिल्मी. मैं हूं आपके साथ नमिता सचदेव. वेल रिसेंटली एक फिल्म रिलीज हुई है शर्मा जी की बेटी. अगर आपने देखी है तो ठीक है, नहीं देखी है तो प्लीज इसको देख लीजिए, मेक इट श्योर. क्योंकि जिन्होंने इस फिल्म को डायरेक्ट किया है ना, वो कश्यप जी की वन एंड ओनली टैलेंटेड बेटी हैं. वेलकम ताहिरा कश्यप हु इज विद अस राइट नाउ. ताहिरा, वेलकम टू फिल्मी. हाउ आर यू?
Thank you, Namita. Thank you. I'm doing good and thank you so much.
व्हाई शर्मा जी की बेटी, व्हाई नॉट कश्यप जी की बेटी?
शर्मा जी का बेटा क्यों?
T20 जितवा दिया इसलिए.
देखो बस फिर हमारी फिल्म जीत जाएगी.
वैसे क्रिकेट में इंटरेस्ट आप काफी रखती हैं नहीं?
आजकल तो कुछ ज्यादा ही, because I think everybody at home has been supporting and so yeah.
May I ask, all are your favorite cricketers?
Yeah, of course. I think after this match, रोहित शर्मा, विराट कोहली, बुमराह, अक्सर सारे ही दिग्गज हैं और जो कैच पकड़ा स्काई ने तो उसके बाद तो आई थिंक ही इज बिकम ट्रॉफी पकड़ ली उसके बाद. दैट्स ट्रू. या
यस. अच्छा, मैंने फिल्म देखी, मुझे बहुत प्यारी फिल्म लगी. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल 3 स्टोरीज साइमल्टेनियसली चल रही हैं एंड विमेन बीइंग समहाउ जज्ड इन अ सोसाइटी. कितना भी कह लें कि नहीं जज किया जाता, अपनी चॉइसेस खुद हमें लेनी होती हैं, बट देन स्टिल यू हैव डन अ ग्रेट जॉब.
थैंक यू सो मच यार. थैंक यू, मीन्स अ लॉट.
अच्छा, एक चीज़ मुझे और बड़ी अच्छी लगी जो फिल्म के अंदर, वो ये थी कि एज अ डायरेक्टर आपने स्टोरी चूज की और बिना किसी ड्रामा के, कोई मेलो ड्रामा नहीं है, बट इमोशंस आप फील कर पाते हो.
राइट.
सो सिंस हाउ लॉन्ग यू वर राइटिंग दिस स्टोरी, what inspired you to write this story and all that? I want to know.
Yeah, these are incidents which have happened in my life or at least I've experienced or observed. And so as a storyteller, then you exaggerate and then you have your own storytelling way of storytelling and then you add your own flavor and then there's a lot that you want to say, but then how do you want to say? So I think that anybody who's watched my short films would probably Toffee, Penny or Quarantine Crush will say, okay, it's the same filmmaker who's made this film because it's certain way of addressing issues which are never preachy, which are never, there is never a sermon. I was just telling, मेरे को बहुत लेक्चर मिले हैं when I was a kid and बॉम्बे आके मैं प्रोफेसर थी तो मैंने खुद बड़े लेक्चर दिए हैं. अब ना मुझे लेक्चर सुनने हैं ना देने हैं. So how do I put across my point? It's the characters and when they are put in a situation and how they react. So they will never turn into moralizing creatures, but they will turn into someone who are going through stuff and how do they realize, what is the realization and how do they do it in the most comical way. So that slice of life, happy, comical space is something that I have maintained for all the tracks. But not to say that they have got nothing to say. They are saying a few things that you take back home.
पहली फीचर फिल्म और कमर्शियल एक्टर्स के साथ आपने नहीं बनाया. Why not Deepika, Alia और Katrina in this role?
The other reverse question is never asked. The roles that Deepika and Alia have played, we never ask why didn't Divya Datta, Sakshi Tanwar play those roles. So I think it's the same. What they bring to each and every character it brings forth their take on the character, and Divya and Sakshi bring a lot of credibility, a lot of authenticity and a lot of vulnerability into the characters that they have portrayed. Divya looks Kiran as this lost soul who is from Punjab and who doesn't know why Bombay is in such a mad rush. And Jyoti is a working mother, strong-headed mother, but she is vulnerable. She's strong in front of the world, but at her own home she's demonized. So how does she deal with that? So with her daughter. So I don't think anybody would have done a better sort of justice to the character as they have, and I'm so grateful that they have done the roles.
So if you have been like asked कि तीनों characters जो आपके हैं फिल्म में, तन्वी, ज्योति and किरण, इन तीनों से खुद को रिलेट करना, बिकॉज पर्सनल ऑब्जर्वेशन मुझे लगता है एक डायरेक्टर के लिए काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाता है, स्पेशली व्हेन यू आर डायरेक्टिंग योर फर्स्ट फीचर फिल्म।
Right.
सो अपने आप से कौन से ट्रेट्स आप इन तीनों में से लोगे?
मतलब दे ऑल हैव अ पार्ट ऑफ मी फॉर श्योर. स्वाति के साथ सबसे ज़्यादा रिलेशन है बिकॉज आई फेल्ट एग्जैक्टली लाइक दैट व्हेन आई वाज 13-year-old, 14.
Oh.
I was the last in my class to get my period, so I was not 13, I was little ahead. And I was like, shit, मेरी ज़िंदगी बर्बाद हो चुकी है. भगवान has not done justice to me, and my mother is to be blamed for everything going wrong in my life. So that was that. Jyoti is a working mother and my mother has always been working, so that relationship comes from there. Divya, yes, I came to Bombay from Chandigarh and I was really lost. I didn't know why this city is so fast paced. What does everybody want to achieve? What is happening? And
But you love Bombay, nahi?
I love Bombay now. In fact, I can't live in any other city apart from Bombay. I've become one with it, but it took time for me to fall in love with the city.
Because Chandigarh is so progressive city. If
No,
you compare it with others.
No, Bombay is very is the most progressive city that we know of, and Chandigarh is a small city. It's progressive, but it's very complacent. It has its own pace to it. वो आराम से धीरे-धीरे चलती है. 8 बजे बंद हो जाता है सब कुछ. सब अपने घर आते हैं. किसी को 4 रुपए एक्स्ट्रा नहीं बनाने, ट्रैफिक नहीं बनाने. 100 रुपए दे भी दोगे, प्लम्बर आएगा अगले दिन ही आएगा, नहीं आएगा 8 बजे आपका कुछ ठीक करने. उसको नहीं बनाने एक्स्ट्रा पैसे, उसको घर की खुशी चाहिए. So that's every city's calling, and Bombay is a city of dreams that people come and they work hard and they achieve their dreams and aspirations. So it took me a while, and that's the only part for Divya, for Kiran, and of course then the role goes into more other layers, which is the storyteller in me, which of course I developed the character. And when it comes to Tanvi, I think a tall, strong girl. I think I've always been I'm 5'8.5", and I was guilty of feeling this tall because I thought, oh no, this concept of feminine is very petite, small. Your shoe size has to be a certain size, and I'm a UK 7, and I was made to feel like a monster by all the local shoe brands. The globalization हुई है, so me and my mother feel normal, but otherwise.
What's your height, by the way?
I'm 5'8.5".
Oh wow, यार मुझे चाहिए थी height, मिली नहीं. 6.5 मिल गई.
No, but that's a great height too. I was very happy at this height. The moment I shot up to 5'8", I thought I am not pretty. But again, that's how society makes you feel, too tall, too broad, too short, too thin, too fat. There are too many opinions about our body types and too many boxes that we are kept in. So I think Tanvi and a love for food actually comes from a very personal space. Apart from that, there's nothing else common with her character. Again, it's something that I have. It's a fictional track completely, but love for food is something which is common.
And why not Ayushmann being casted as the supportive wala husband?
Because Sharad did a great job.
Yeah, he is, no doubt. Yes, absolutely. अच्छा, अगर मैं बात करती हूँ आपको कई जगह पे फेमिनिस्ट कहा जा रहा है. How do you take that? Because personally, अगर कोई मुझसे पूछे तो I don't feel you are a feminist, but still you have been called, क्योंकि शुरू से लेकर अब तक आपने इस तरह के टॉपिक्स चूज किए हैं, and especially when you are directing your first feature film, उसमें भी एक female centric topic लेना, that's difficult also, that's the best also, and you being you also. So what do you have to say on that?
No, I'm a self-proclaimed feminist. I think not just me, I think every member of my household is a feminist. And feminism is not a derogatory word, to clear it for everybody. It means that feminism doesn't mean that women are better than men. It just means that we deserve equal love, respect, dignity, and remuneration if we are at work and if we are capable enough to deliver. So I just feel that I'm very proud to be a feminist, and I think that shows in my body of work as well.
Any difference, Tahira, does that make when a female especially directs a female?
No, I think every individual brings about their vision, their lens. So there's something known as a male gaze and there's something known as a female gaze. So it's very important to have different people behind the lens also, so that there is new flavors which are added, what you see to what is happening in front of the screen.
We have seen you always as a strong-headed woman. You have survived through cancer and you have stood up strong for each and every woman out there for the future also, and being the ambassador for all the women of our country, even internationally also, for the cancer awareness programs. Recently, Hina Khan is also suffering from breast cancer. Any kind of support or kind of a message that you want to provide to all the women who are suffering from such kind of disease?
I think it's this message goes to all the women, not just the women, but the household. It's to the men and the family members also that every life is very precious. It's very important. Self-conservation, self-preservation, self-love is very, very important. And love yourself to such an extent that if in case you see that there is some changes in your body, please go get yourself checked up by a doctor. And if there are appointments, please do not give importance to parent-teacher meeting or grocery shopping over those appointments with the doctors. Your life means a whole lot to not just you, but your family members. And to the family members, please be a sense of a place of support and love. The woman is going through a tough time. All that she requires is love and true support and faith. And yeah.
Ajay, please tell me, what is the best part of being a director and what is the toughest part of being a director, of directing somebody?
Oh, the best part is that you are getting to see your vision come to life.
Yeah.
And there's so many other people who are helping you achieve that, whether it's the HODs of different departments, whether it's cinematography, whether it's set design, whether it's costumes, whether it's makeup, the actors. All the teams are working towards that one vision. So that gives you a lot of power, but with great power comes great responsibility. So the most challenging thing is it's a little unnerving when the entire set is dependent on you and the entire project just depends on one person's vision. So I think that can be a little unnerving also, but it's very gratifying.
That's nice. But I want to know what kind of movies Tahira loves watching as a director and as an writer also. You are an author also.
I think my spectrum of watching movies keeps sort of changing in the books that I read. But I love those films which have well-defined female characters for sure. But I love films that are that make you think, that bring about some emotion in you, whether that could be happiness, that could be sadness, that could be disgust also. But kuch to shake kiya, there's something which has.
Nice.
So I really liked Everything, Everywhere, All at Once. That was a lovely film. I loved Crew also.
Oh.
I loved Hira Mandi also. I love watching a lot of films.
All the best to you for your future
Thank you.
project.